What up? Alright, so we got most of the turbo stuff done already, and she's sitting on the car. Still have lots to do though. We got a different valve cover on here. That's the first one I ever hydro dipped. Just keeping the crap out of the motor while I'm working on the other valve cover. We're gonna have to plan out more of the cooling system. That's gonna be one of the issues we gotta jump through. We have so much to do. So I guess let's get to it. So I lost the footage. That's my bad. But to catch you up on what happened, I popped holes in the valve cover right above the baffles, and I welded in some tube and 12A fittings onto the top. So back to the video. So the issue with welding on a valve cover like this is the used ones, they're impregnated with oil. I set the balance on my welder all the way to like almost to clean, like full clean. And I just sit there and I preheat the metal and then try to use the alternating current to pull contaminants off of the weld puddle. So that's about what you can do, you know, for bead. That ain't half bad, you know, especially on an old DSM valve cover, which was probably just soaking oil. There is the factory valve cover breather port right here. Instead of just plugging that up, I think that I want to do something with this material that I got. I think we're actually going to use this a little bit more in the build, and it is aluminum. It's quite flexible. We're going to make this thing breathe well, and I think I can do that with something that'll look a little kind of, you know, different than what everybody's used to. So we're just going to add a couple things. Effectively, I could just block it off. It wouldn't really make a difference, but this won't hurt it, and I think it'll look good. So let's just go ahead and keep going with that. got the valve cover on now, and took off the holder valve cover, placeholder, I guess, and keep the dust out of the engine valve cover. So, all right, it's a little excessive with the perf. I hope you don't have trypophobia, because if you do, my bad. Enjoy.